Hi friends, welcome to Susan Terrace Garden. For more plant videos, please subscribe to our channel. Today's video is about tomato plant video. This tomato is a magic of growing your own food. First, take tomato seeds and carefully plant these seeds in nutrient-rich soil. After 10 to 15 days, these seeds grow into saplings. Then transplant these saplings into another pot with nutrient rich soil. With tender care and attention, these tiny seedlings grow into plants and spreading their leafy branches. Tomato isn't without its challenges. From pesky pest to unpredictable weather, every day brings new obstacles. This tomato plant should be placed in direct sunlight. Tomatoes thrive in full sunlight, receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. Regarding soil, tomatoes prefer well-draining nutrient-rich soil. A mix of compost, a mix of garden soil and a mix of neem powder and a mix of eggshell powder works well and gives us good yield. Regarding watering, keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water deeply, aiming for the root zone rather than the foliage to encourage healthy root development. Do not overwater to reduce the risk of fungal diseases. Support structures for tomatoes. Tomatoes need support for growing vines, heavy fruit. You can place a stick and tie the plant to the stick for support. Regarding fertilizers, tomatoes are heavy feeders and require weekly fertilization throughout the growing season. Fertilizers like banana peel water mixed with some jaggery works well for this tomato plant. Regarding pollination, pollination will happen through air, but you can also do hand pollination just by rubbing the flowers with your hands. Regarding pruning and maintenance, remove suckers, the small shoots that develop in the leaf axils to encourage larger fruit and better airflow around the plant. Regarding pest control, look out for any pests like mealybugs. So to control pest, you can spray neem oil and you can also spray stored buttermilk, which works well for this plant. Follow these steps to grow tomato and you will get good results of tomatoes. Tomatoes are ready to harvest when they reach their mature color, that is from green tomato to red or orange. Now when tomatoes are ready, simply twist or curl the fruit from the vine and be careful not to damage the plant. By following these steps and giving your tomato plant the care they need, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of delicious homegrown tomatoes all season long. I hope this tomato video would be helpful to you. If you have found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a joyful gardening.